Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter jam buns. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour, sugar, active dry yeast, salt, warm milk, softened unsalted butter, and your favorite jam. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for easy incorporation into the dough. Having everything ready beforehand makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for success from the very beginning. Now, let's create the perfect dough. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 3 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 1 cup of warm milk and 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Then, let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour, or until it is doubled in size. With your dough beautifully risen, it's time for assembly. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 12 equal portions, each weighing approximately 50 grams. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then flatten it into a small circle, about 4 inches in diameter. Place 1 generous tablespoon of your chosen jam in the center of each flattened dough circle. Carefully fold the edges of the dough over the jam, pinching them firmly to create a secure seal, ensuring no jam escapes during baking. Finally, let's bake these delightful treats. Arrange your sealed buns on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. For a beautiful golden brown crust, brush the tops of the buns with an egg wash, made from 1 egg whisked with 1 tablespoon of water. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are wonderfully golden and puffed. Enjoy your warm, homemade butter jam buns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.